You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts.
Welcome back to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts, with another episode for that ass. And this time they ain't bleeped out. So there's going to be a little bit of a slight episode or some previous footage I'm putting together. The last video I did of doing the brake job on the beautiful Murano, Nissan Murano, 2007, right behind me. The last video I did of that, what's going on here? The last video I did of that, there was one part in the video where I got very, very frustrated and started cursing up a storm, went on a, kind of had a little bit of a meltdown, a little bit of a breakdown. Goddamn cars, be quiet! Be quiet, cars! So I had a little breakdown, and I had to, pop a couple meds in there to, bring the old BP down a little bit, but when I was going through editing it before, as you know, all my videos, I bleep out all the curses and everything like that. So just to make it later on down the road, if I want to, monetize the videos, whatever the case, YouTube doesn't allow you to curse and monetize at the same time. You can't do both. So I bleep out all the curses just for that basic purpose and just for, future business type of opportunities. I don't want to put myself into a corner, but I want to be myself too, I curse. Live with it. It's what I do. But as I was editing it and, on the computer going through it and, watching it, obviously edit and watch at the same time, whatever, I just let it run through a little bit and just kind of watched it. I thought it was, because I wasn't in the moment anymore, I thought it was pretty goddamn funny. I mean, you could be the judge of that, but I was getting a good laugh while I was sitting there on my computer. So the idea popped in my head. I'm like, you know what? Would it really hurt that much if I just did a video here or there that I didn't edit out and you just heard the raw Ryan? You got the raw version. Unedited, unscripted, raw version of Ryan. Because, from time to time, as, a lot of people can relate that have worked on vehicles before, as you can relate, sometimes it does get frustrating, and it could work in your goddamn nerves. It could work that last fucking nerve. It could fucking get in there and just start fucking twisting. And that's what happened at one point in the video, and I was doing putting the caliper back together over here on the front left wheel. Obviously, it's all done now. Everything's kosher and perfect, and the brakes are working good, all that. The other video's already up and everything, but I just got this idea. I'm like, you know what? It might be funny for the people. I'm here for the people. I'm trying to serve up some delicious, funny shit for you. So that's what you're gonna see. You're gonna see the unedited version of my, epic meltdown. I mean, it wasn't epic, but I lost my cool a little bit. Cool Hand Luke went for a coffee break. So you're going to see that's what this episode is going to be about. It's going to be the unedited version of me losing my shit. So you're going to see that next, and then after I'll come back and wrap up the video. Even though all that crap already happened, it's already taped and everything. So this is all a little fresh action for you. But I just wanted to give you a little intro, a little introduction, and let you know what's happening. And also give you a little wrap-up, close-up, and what's coming next on the channel. So, for some reason, these are always a bitch to line up. Ow! Fucking A! Come on, you little fucking piece of shit whore! Get in the fucking hole! Always a pain. Ow! Gotta be a pain in my fucking dick! Why can't you just fucking go like you're supposed to? God damn, you piece of fucking shit! Get the fucking in the hole! God damn, you little fucking bastard! I fucking hate this shit! You motherfucking piece of fucking whore! God damn it! Pain in my goddamn fucking dick! Yeah, that's it. Go to the fucking street, you goddamn little creeper cart. Go into your fucking hole. Fucking getting a cramp here and shit. God damn this fucking piece of dick whore. Fucking. I'm gonna fucking murder your goddamn fucking mother. Fucking go, goddamn it. Fucking thread on. God damn it. Why do you have to be so fucking difficult? It's probably still not on. The fuck on! Alright, at least it's going. Little piece of shit. And then fucking cramps over here. My creepers went out into the fucking street. That was some pretty good shit. You know, hey, let me know what you think. I forgot to say in the intro, you know what? Don't forget to subscribe down here if you like what you see. You know, give me a good old like. Give me a comment if you want. Or if you don't want, then don't. I don't care. Also, another thing. I'm doing a lot of TikTok videos lately. You know, they're quick and easy for me to do. They're, you know, the YouTube videos are, you know, it's a lot more work. There's a lot more videoing. There's a lot more footage I have to go through, more editing. You know, it takes more time. The TikTok, you know, I could do them like 10 minutes or something like that on my phone. So I've been doing a lot of them, and I'm fun. They're fun, and I'm having a good time there. So on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube. On YouTube, you know, you're watching it now. On YouTube, I'm Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts. But on TikTok, on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, I'm Soup to Nuts. SOUPEDTONUTS. Also, I'll put all the links, as I usually do, I'll put all the links and information in the description down below, you know, so you could check me on the other stuff, because, you know, there's stuff on Instagram and TikTok and whatnot that not everything's on every platform, and there's a lot of stuff on there that isn't on here, so you kind of get to see, you know, some other side of me, some other goofy shit I do. So yeah, so check me out there too. And you know what, in this, you know, a little bit different video form, please, you know, comment or whatever, let me know what you thought of it. Let me know if you like the, you know, the meltdown cursing, you like the angry Ryan, if you like angry Mad Ryan, if he gives you a good laugh and some entertainment, let me know. Maybe I'll, you know, do this again. Let me know how you guys like it or don't like it, whatever the case. And so coming up next on the channel, I got the headlight video all done, I got the headlights all done on this car, so I just have to finish editing that footage up and putting that together. So that's going to be the next video after this one. And then moving forward, I have to do a bunch of cleanup stuff on the 350Z, clean up a bunch of parts, polishing, cleaning, all that type of crap. I have to run some errands and whatnot, so I'm going to take you along with me to, you know, do a few of the errands, and, you know, you could see maybe you want to see Road Rage Ryan too. Maybe he'll show up for a fun night out with Ryan Campbell Road Rage. Maybe it's another channel idea. I don't know. So you're gonna see that coming up next. The cleaning parts, polishing shit, another goddamn car going by. You know what? I'm gonna put a fucking spike strip out in the middle of the fucking road. This freaking camera's on. Spike strips go out. So yeah, you might see Road Rage Ryan. Who knows? Who knows what will happen? But, you know, run some errands and stuff to, you know, get some parts cleaned up. Get the calipers powder coated. I get some pipes made. I get some stuff fabricated. Drop some stuff off and whatnot. And I also have to start cleaning up a bunch of parts. You know, start getting everything ready to put the old powerful engine back in the car, or not back in, but in. A bunch of stuff like that to do, a little knick-knack crap or whatever I have to take care of, so I could start getting everything ready to throw the engine in. And so that's going to be next, coming up for you shortly. So stay tuned, folks. Stay tuned. Drive fast. Take chances.